It was a typical morning when a small plane carrying 8 passengers suddenly lost altitude above the dense Amazon rainforest. In mere moments, the aircraft collided with the treetops, plummeting to the ground with a deafening crash. Only 3 survived the wreckage: Julia, a biologist; Marco, a mechanic; and Sarah, a travel nurse. As they emerge from the smoking ruins with injuries, they must confront not only their physical wounds, but the jungle's terrifying wildlife and relentless heat. With limited supplies, they must make a crucial decision: stay near the wreckage, which may attract rescuers, or venture deeper into the jungle for help. What would you choose? Stay put or take the risk?